Well, hello there, Jay Leno here. If you know me, you know I've spent my life surrounded by cars, old, new, fast, slow, and everything in between. There's just something magical about the way a machine comes to life, the way it connects us to the road and to each other. For as long as I can remember, I've been obsessed with anything that has wheels and an engine. The smell of gasoline, the rumble of a V8, the shine of chrome. These are the things that got my heart racing as a kid and still do today. But what's happening right now in the car world is something else entirely. A genuine revolution powered by electricity. We're witnessing a shift that's as big as when cars first replaced horses, and it's happening right before our eyes. The gentle hum of an electric motor is starting to replace the familiar roar of the internal combustion engine. It's a quieter, cleaner, and surprisingly thrilling experience that's changing the way we think about driving. For over 100 years, cars ran on gasoline, making noise and smoke, but times are changing. The old days of tailpipes puffing out clouds of exhaust are slowly fading into history. People are rethinking cars, the air we breathe, and the future of our planet. Cities are getting more crowded, and concerns about pollution and climate change are pushing us to find better solutions. Engineers and scientists are working around the clock to make electric vehicles more efficient, affordable, and accessible for everyone. Battery technology is advancing at a rapid pace, and new breakthroughs are happening every year. Electric cars have gone from niche curiosity to the next big thing. Sleek, powerful, and packed with tech. They're not just for early adopters anymore. They're for families, commuters, and car lovers of all kinds. Every major car manufacturer is pouring billions into electric models. From startups to legendary brands, everyone wants a piece of the electric future. The future is electric, and it's arriving fast. Highways are filling up with silent, speedy EVs, and cities are preparing for a new era of transportation. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into this exciting new world and see what's driving this incredible change. Whether you're a die-hard gearhead or just curious about what's next, there's something here for everyone. It's a heck of a story, and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's get started.